Okay. So waphupha after i-podcast the time uqeda ukushootha or waphupha before?
It was after podcast. It was after podcast. Yabo ithungitshela yabo if we both wanted something ukuthi yenzeke ngaleso sikhathi. There were so many chances ukuthi ngenzeke. But ayizange yenzeke. That's why ngifeel some kind of way ukuthi omunye umntwana wadregwa ukuthi into engingazange yenzeka akunanto engingayenza nalo sister. Asikaze sayenzani akunanto engingayenza. It's just that mhlambe kwakulento okuhalelana mhlambe ukuthi ngibhara ayikho into ekayenzeka.
Both sides. Okay. That's fair enough.
Yeah, both sides. I don't want to lie because khona la bekunokufletha khona nyana but akuzange yenzeke next.
So when you say both sides, why if it happened for both sides, when why the time so kuluma utupupiwe, but nikonile ukufletha both sides, why wena ungayifakanga now? Because the time ipumindaba it was more one-sided.
That's why ngithina lonto le because yaphume ngathi yena bekafuna mina azangiphume ngathi we are both flirting.
Yes.
Into nale yankeni because yayenza umntana engathi uye the beach or what azange iphume ngathi and what I hate ukuthi don't make it engathi wazitholele kubeni wena wezwa ngami lonto after calling you cheat and I was like uyacheata angithi udomo jo if I had so many chances ukuthi I could cheat on you but I didn't ngithi uyazi ban but just because nikumkhankaso nonke lo I didn't do it because bengibona ngathi ngizocekela igama lakho phansi but when ukuthi wenza kanje I'm so disappointed that's how it came about ukuthi kuze ngimtshele.
Okay. So why you wanna clear it manje? Because this thing happened maybe 2 or 3 months back. Why you feel ukuthi it's time for you ukuthi uclear igama like a girl but utrained maybe 3 months back?
Kinda.
Like the time kupumindaba zamaphupho, it's not something that happened now. I think it's 2 or 3 months back.
Oh, it's because in a good relationship and and people are saying we. And I've seen most of the time they're gonna mention London. I was like, man, let me just learn to live with London guy. And every time I want to think maybe a relationship or umshado whatever because I'm cheating on Mercedes. I've never cheated with Mercedes. This young guys not Mercedes.
Okay.
Thank you. Grand,
How's business Monday? Why uyekele if uyekile? Why uyekile cause both are kahle?
Angiyekanga yazi situfuza jo. Izinto zenzeke jo kanje especially this like uyakhumula ngicomplain ukuthi ugesi wathi so ba ugesi angisanawo endaweni yami and maceda kenzeka like yenzeke ngisejozi ne bangicimela ugesi la istock obesikhona fridge sa expire sonke ngathi ngiyazama ukuthi ngiconnect ugesi ayizange isipane so I'm starting afresh manje but by next week yini namhlanje Wednesday oh by next week I'm back futhi so business yaqala
same Harrismith.
Yeah, and kune possibility khona sister khona like mele ayenza indaba zami zase Soweto zenzeke so I might be starting up and up. So we're starting good. We're nice this side, guys. Siguma relationship amasha, sicala ama business kabusha. Like we good this side.
Awufuna ukuthatha ikhefu ukuthi ubreathe.
Ngilithathile ikhefu like you used to fuza like I've been on the ground for like 3 months or nine, guys. Yo, ngiphuma ku dark place.
Okay.
Like, I'm from a dark place.
The other question below it was like the question is not person is not for me, but it's something that bengithi ngiyangena i-question bele ingena kuma-comment akho ukuthi every time ongathi uyaphusha uyabuyela emuva, like it's not the first time they noticed. Ongathi wenzani, bongathi uyaqhubeka like business yakho bosophopha kahle uyeba maqwaqo wenzeni ane, then depend that time business yakho iphusha kahle wabuyela sister.
Nah guys, lapho ke maybe ingabuka kanjalo, but sister ngaleso sikhathi, sister saved me ngaleso sikhathi, especially last year October. Your sister saved me ngaleso sikhathi. Ngicabanga lentwana ukuthi sesekhona because I wish nayo ngaba khona in this panel. Sister saved me, like I don't know ukuthi le story ngeke ngisibekele podcast or, but the sister saved me at that point because yakhumula benginentwana bengisibana nayo. Yo ntwana happened ukuthi kwaba na something and then kwaba nokupicture nanyana. And then I was down, like seriously down. Do you remember? Ntwana mission in September. Do you remember ngapusha njani libele ngifuna ukuspana waya ngavoid the pain.
Wapusha vele.
Ngapusha even after funeral ntwana. October sacabana nomntwana. So this thing ayenzeka kwaba, I remember I even got sick. Nganje ngesikhathi ngifela ama blisters njanjani. Yeah, because stress nanani. And then also steroid, since you can't cope, come this side. That's when I went that side. The time nisafuna ukuthi niyafunisela ukuthi ngisendlini yakhe kwenzakalani ningatholi kahle. And then final survivors with no, okay, ulaw Monday.
Okay.
Yeah.
So to that time is when all parts were pull up. It's not like bongekho parts bo pusha akupula down. You know, pull up or news kahle.
Wow. Yeah, sister because besengiphansi sacabana nontwana masicethe ukucabana. Hey man, I was going through a lot now. Ngavele ngabona view ukuthi kwaba into ebhaya, kwaba ile pain kwaba no-control lot and then usparkeke izinto ebhaya. Kwaba ile pain le ntwana nini. And then sister was come this side. And then she took me in ngaleso sikhathi. Bese ngasana nyuku view on how I'm gonna come back view. And then she gave me man ngabuya. Sister, that's why I want to protect her that. Ngabuya view kayi and then I push until vele le challenge le. And unfortunately enough, that's what I hate about life. Maqeda kuvela le nkinga le yamanje leyo case. And then kwaba leshinga ngapha relationship ke futhi.
Okay.
So ibonakala ngathi every time when I'm good business and be like relationship.
Yeah.
And then business liyawa ke masengibuyela.
Like also lose focus.
Yeah.
But very low umuntu comment beyibheka bengathi injalo. Siba honest.
Nah, sister saved me lapho bafethu ngifuna ukumphetha baba. But we good now bafethu, we picking up like I don't know, but we're picking up very nice.
So how co-parenting on your side? Yeah, pushek.
Nah, ngizothola amansaza amaningi podcast.
Fair enough.
A podcast, like I said, with a podcast, a lot of things. It's just that we talk but I don't think he knows. A lot of things, if you're Mazu man, he's very honest and outspoken. So we asked a lot of questions. So I'm answers in the first episode. I know I don't talk a lot about because but on the podcast, some of the things. I'm dropping on the 2nd of June.
Let's follow, guys. Let's push subscribe. Yeah.
Ngizithola lapha izinto ebhaya ukuthi kwakenzakalani ngalesikhathi nini kwenzalani. And I know because most of the times I don't talk, even manje just got a message from someone, nah, you shouldn't talk because why manje nini. I was clearing it because I don't like my little kanje.
Oh, but Monday, have you healed though? Nami it was a question benyala. So hilile ukuthi ungaba ku ungene kwenye relationship.
Yeah, now I think I'm ready, hey. I think I'm ready now. Because I said this card, man.
Since uthi ukwenye relationship ane leyo muntu nayo usashaya isigubhu or wenzani?
Leyo ngizabe ngilile. But what you should know, most people engiba-attract time bashaya isigubhu and you should know nje.
Shuthi unaloso spirit nje attract loso spirit.
I don't know why, man. But nje maybe bathole i-comfort game kakhulu maybe. I don't know why, but hey. But in terms
of say Etsy, I don't know. If you once dated, let's say intombazane once dated umageza or attractor abomageza, you understand?
Oh yeah, no.
Nakuba naloso spirit leso ukuthi nje wena nje ihutha ayidluli. Pip. Nawe nje attractor igroup. Okay. Why give me? I must not read my comments, but ngibona wena ngathi ufunda my comments.
What's up?
Oh.
What's up? Someone is worried la uthi ngakhulumi kakhulu because izasusa umsindi. Zenzani amara ngiclear igama lomunye umntwana kuphela. But when it comes to nje ngibuza ukuthi nini, if ngasho ukuthi lo muntu lo ushaya isigubhu, a lot of people bazofuna ukuhlanganisa and sebazobheka ukuthi oh kwenzalani nini. But nah, the only thing I can say with most people, like, even noma ngikhuluma nabo, I'm like, bengibhalile futhi ku-WhatsApp siningi ukuthi Lord, please, I need answers ukuthi why I keep on attracting gifted people.
Oh, hi, dinga i-cleansing.
Ngizoshaya i-cleansing, ngizangicleansa ngibe right ngikhiphe umoya wezandla.
Spirit. So that's what is spirit, man. What is spirit?
Yeah.
Nakuyakhona nje uzothola isigubhu.
Mina mara nakhathethu bafethu angibone enough because angoma ngi-right, hey.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
I wish you buyele business bounce back.
Don't worry, always bounce back this side, man. Like we've been down 1,000 times. We always bounce back. On the pipeline though, okay. Nisitholile impendulo zena ngithi ngihlale ngifuna indaba ngani today nginikile ke indaba eziright. Nginikile indaba eziright ke naze nathola istory ke sinjani njani. Akonye ngisakuphendula like I said ngizakuzwa podcast. Ngizakuzwa podcast. You want more? Guys kahleni. Oh, hey. Oh, hey.